Hi there. I'm Bob Caine. I'm really glad you're here. If you've ever felt lost trying to figure out how people actually make money online without scams, without any technical headaches, or without the super hype, you're in the right place. In this first course, you're going to learn how to find a niche that fits you, something you actually enjoy and that can bring in extra income each. By the end, you'll have a clear written plan that becomes the foundation for everything that follows. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to sell everything to everyone. Finding your niche means focusing on the people who need what you already know. And that's where trust and income start. Here's exactly what we'll accomplish together. First, you'll discover what really excites you, the topics and the experiences that make you unique. Then I'll show you how to use AI tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm profitable niches in minutes. No guessing, no technical overwhelm. Yes, I said ChatGPT. Believe me, if you can use a microwave, you can use ChatGPT. Next, we'll validate your ideas to make sure people actually searching for them and are willing to spend money in that area. And finally, you'll finish with your very own niche blueprint, your personal roadmap for starting an online business that fits your life and goals. This course is the first step in your 3-step journey to online confidence. Step 1 in this course that's coming up is finding your niche. This helps you pick the direction that makes everything else easier. Step 2 is creating your ideal customer. Shows you who you really are talking to. And this leads you to creating step 3, your personal voice persona. This helps you find your unique style so your message connects with your customers. Each course builds on the last, and by the end, you'll not only know what to do, you'll feel confident doing it. You're not going to need fancy software or paid subscriptions to follow along. We will mostly use ChatGPT free in the examples. I'll let you know when upgrading might give you a little something extra, but it's always optional. We're really going to work with the freebies, with free subscriptions, and almost everything I suggest you can join for free and then decide if you want to upgrade. You're not too late, you're not too old, and you're definitely not alone. You've got this, and I will be with you every step of the way. This fresh start, it's a fun one. We'll make tech simple and success achievable. Before we dive in, take a second, use the link below to download your niche blueprint workbook. It's your companion for this course, where you'll record your best ideas, your chosen niche, and your next steps. Remember, this isn't theory, it's about clarity and confidence. By the end, you'll know exactly where to focus your time and energy. Start building simple, trustworthy income online, step by step. So click the link below to grab your workbook. Let's start building your foundation together. Then we can meet at the bank. I'm looking forward to seeing you at the bank. Bye.